Valued for its reliability and security, the AS400, now known as IBM I, is tried and true technology, and it's still the foundation for many business-critical processes. But in an era of rapid technological change, maintaining these vital legacy systems isn't always easy. Maintaining an IBM I system requires in-depth experience with the RPG programming language. However, colleges and universities have largely shifted their focus to teaching newer programming languages, which has made RPG programming an increasingly specialized skill. As older programmers leave the workforce, fewer and fewer developers know how to code an RPG. And as the talent pool shrinks, recruiting and managing in-house RPG teams is becoming increasingly expensive and complex. That's where DDC FPO comes in. With our RPG programming service, you get long-term, continuous access to dedicated RPG programming professionals, even as they become harder to find. Our trained and certified staff of knowledgeable RPG programming experts are available 24/7 to help you maintain, migrate, enhance, and innovate your IBM I systems without the in-house recruitment and retention challenges. Need support for additional systems? Our customized IT outsourcing service packages address your unique technology needs, spanning software development, computer programming, application development, and more. Don't let the RPG talent gap slow your business down. Get scalable, dedicated programming talent with DDC FPO. Contact us to learn more.